friends, welcome to another makeup video. Today I did a Cinco de Mayo look, considering it's Cinco de Mayo, even though we're all at home, but I'm hoping that everyone is having a fiesta at home. Make some tacos, have some guacamole, drink lots of tequila, and let's have a fun day, quarantine style. So if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Hi! First, gotta take a sip before we get started, of course. I'm gonna be using the Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced, an oldie but a goodie. And I'm going to start with the White Peach shade, which is the lightest shade in the palette. And I'm just gonna use that all over my lid and underneath my brow bone to highlight, and also just to set my eyeshadow primer that I've already laid down. And then I'm going to go in with Peaches and Cream for my transition shade. This is such a light shade. It's almost going to do nothing, but in the long run, it really will help with the blending process throughout this whole eye look. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Georgia, which is still super duper light, just a little bit on the peachier side. And again, just running that right in my crease. Next, I'm going in with the shade Puree, which is a medium toned, super warm brown shade. And I'm gonna pop that right on the outer corner. I'm gonna keep all the shades as far out as possible. I wanna just keep the smokiness really low and just on the outer corner. Because we are doing a bolder lip, I don't want the eyeshadow to get too dramatic. And then I just went back in with the Georgia shade just to blend everything together. Next, I'm going in with Summer Yum, which is also like a mid-tone shade. It's a little bit more reddish, if you will, a little warmer. And again, just keeping that right on the outer corner. Now back in with Puree. I'm gonna kind of go back and forth with these a couple times. And I needed some black, so I am using Anastasia Noir with a tiny brush, really, really low, as close to the lash line as possible on the outer corner. I'm just gonna pop that black. And then back in with Puree just to blend that black out. And again, I'm gonna go back and forth with this step a couple times. And then I'm gonna go in with Summer Yum one more time, right above that black, just to add a little bit more warmth back in there. And a little bit more black. I felt like I needed a little bit more of a neutral brown in that mix as well. So just pop that one right above the black. I know, it's annoying, a lot of back and forth, but hey. Face time. I'm gonna use the Dior Face and Body foundation today. I finally self-tanned, so I'm getting out my tan makeup, which is very exciting. Not that I'm tanning for anybody, so like who really cares, but doesn't it just make you feel better to be tan? And I'm using it in my beauty blender all over. I love this foundation. I haven't used it in forever because the color that I have is like way too dark for me normally, but it's such a pretty foundation. Super light, but great coverage, matte. It's a good one. Highly recommend. Now in with my trusty Tarte Shape Tape. I'm also going to use that concealer too, just to sharpen up my eyeshadow a little bit. Peter. Next, I am setting my under eyes as usual with my RCMA No Color Powder. And then just setting all the parts that I put my concealer. But mainly for my under eyes. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going with the Sephora Collection Baked Micro Smooth Powder. My fave. Now to bronze with my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow in the shade medium to dark. Now that I'm actually tan, this bronzer actually matches me and works. Not that I care either way. Love to be bronzed. Now for blush, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic in the color Ecstasy. Such a perfect neutral peachy blush, goes with everything. And then I am gonna go in with this little Too Faced holiday palette, that first light shade just for my inner corner, because I'm obsessed with this one for my inner corner. It's so pretty. Especially since the eyes are all matte, I felt like I needed a little sheen in the inside. And I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line with that Puree shade. That same shade we used in that outer corner earlier. And then for highlight, I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown. Oh my god, I don't even know what it's called, but it's in the color Bronze. Again, now that I'm tan, pull out my more bronzy things. I'm not gonna do false lashes today, so I'm just gonna give my lashes a ton of curl. Because again, we're gonna do a bold lip, so I don't need the eyes to be too crazy. And I'm not going anywhere, so who really cares? And for mascara, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume 2. I'm just using it in a little sample mascara because I have no mascara right now, and that's just what we're working with. So it's fine. And for lips, I am using this Giorgio Armani Lip Mastro in the color 401. I'm such a nude lip person, but if I'm going to do a bold lip, I love an orange red. They're so fun, so pretty. If you're ever in a bad mood, try wearing an orange lip. It works for me. Boosts my mood in no time. I could not find my red lip liner, so I'm just like trying to make it work. But normally I would have used lip liner, but it's fine. And there you have it. Voila. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Have fun. Have a dance party in your house. That's what I'm gonna do. Me and Peter. Love it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.